Hello everyone, this is Aaron Muller with Advantage Commercial Brokers. We help people buy and sell businesses in Washington State. I want to talk a little bit about truck shops. If you're selling your truck shop, there's a few things to think about. It's a great industry. I love it. I actually own some auto repair shops myself, so the whole industry of service and fixing vehicles and trucks and cars and all that stuff is great because there's a big demand for it. I mean, honestly, the trucking industry is crazy big. There's not that many shops that are going to get your stuff done in a timely manner, and if you own a shop, you know that most people that have trucks need their trucks right away. So it's really important that they get their equipment fixed and on the road again. So you're in high demand in that way. There's buyers out there that are either been in the automotive industry or the trucking industry that would love to buy your business, but also people that know nothing about your industry can still run your business and own it and be very successful. So you really have a great market to sell your business and get a pretty high multiple in the big picture of things. So as far as why do people buy these truck shops? One reason could just be the margins. The margins are great in your business. They're selling parts, but they're also selling service. So there's not really a lot of comparables, right? And like I said, it's in a time they need to get their stuff done now. So they're not going to sit there and argue over the price too often, just because they need to get that equipment working and making them money. Also, it's a niche business, right? I mean, niche businesses are just desirable for buyers out there. They want to know that they're getting into something that that there's just not massive competition, or some type of retail store where they're going to be worried about somebody selling the exact same thing. Trucks need to be maintained just for safety reasons. They'll get pulled over by the police if something's not right, so they know that when they're buying something like that, they're saying, hey, this is a necessity. This is something that can be recession proof. People are going to look at your revenues, your average RO, and typically speaking, you're going to get probably between 2.5 to 3 times your owner's discretionary income on when you're selling the business. So if you want to get that valuation done by us, or you want to just get an understanding of what it's going to take to sell your truck shop, check us out. Go to sellmybusinesswa.com. That's sellmybusinesswa.com. We sell businesses in Washington State only, and we will find you a great buyer that's going to take over your business and help you get into your retirement or do something else in your life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.